Two people, same city, same 24 hours. One stays stuck, the other levels up. The difference isn't luck, it's mindset. Most people believe money creates success, but the truth is, mindset creates money. A poor mindset says, I can't afford this. A rich mindset asks, how can I afford this? That one question changes everything. A poor mindset focuses on problems. Every situation feels like a struggle. Every opportunity feels risky. A rich mindset focuses on solutions. Problems become challenges, and challenges become chances to grow. Now think about money habits. A poor mindset earns, and then spends. Instant pleasure, no plan. And the result? Starting from zero, again and again. A rich mindset earns, and then invests. They delay gratification, they think long-term. And the result? Growth, freedom, control. Now let's talk about risk. A poor mindset avoids it. The fear of failure stops action. They wait for the perfect time, but it never comes. A rich mindset understands risk. They take calculated steps. They fail. They learn. They adapt. And they move forward. Because failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Here's something most people ignore. Environment. A poor mindset blames everything. Bad luck. Wrong people. Not enough support. A rich mindset takes responsibility. No matter where I am, I'll figure it out. That shift changes everything. Because when you take responsibility, you take control. And when you take control, you create change. Now look at opportunity. A poor mindset waits for it, hopes for it, dreams about it. A rich mindset creates it, builds it, acts on it. They don't wait for doors to open. They build their own doors. And if nothing works, they create an entirely new path. So understand this clearly. Being rich is not just about money. It's about how you think, how you decide, and how you act. Every single day. Change your mindset, and your reality starts to change. Stay the same, and nothing changes. So ask yourself, honestly, are you thinking like the person who stays stuck, or the one who moves forward, no matter what? Because in the end, the life you get is the life your mindset creates.